welcome to this video. So as titled, today's video is I just saw you in the thing. Today's video is about Cody's purchase. I thought it would be interesting to make a video about it. I did vlog a little about like him forcing me to go with him and everything. So I'll probably include some of those clips in this video. So everything about Cody's purchase will be in this video. And yeah, I'm making Cody sit here because he knows more about the details and how to go about like shopping with this brand and everything like that. So that's why he's here. Cody's pulling in. Oh.
No, we're powering the watch first.
Here's the box. Oh, how do you
Seconds, 30 minutes, hours. Okay. The chronograph start. Okay. You pull once, you need to change the date. So it's 2.
Okay. I can't believe you did it.
Add a link if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
You look so ashy.
It's cold out. I'm like...
Do the spin. Do the spin. Cute. Look at this cute little travel one. Can you open this for me?
Huh?
I can't do this one-handed. I see the little pillow. Okay. Hello, you're looking at the proud owner of Audemars Piguet. Yeah. Cody wants me to do an unboxing. Would you guys want to see an unboxing?
Yes. Why is it so bright?
So you can see the watch.
You gotta do subtly.
Here's my big boy. He turned on the light himself. You guys saw it. Here's my big boy. Congratulations, Cody. Guys, like, if I could just begin to tell you how annoying Cody has been on this watch journey. I'm so happy for him because he's finally got it. Okay, fine. I've decided. We're going to do an unboxing and I'm going to film it and edit it for him because that's what Cody wants.
And then I'll have forever.
So I guess you can just start off and take it out. You want to take it out? Okay, so this is what the box looks like. He's been waiting for me to film this so he can take off all of the plastic. So I think he's just most excited to take off the plastic. Okay. I'm gonna... He's finally peeling off the plastic. This is some tough plastic. I really thought it would be like 1, 2, 3. Oh, here's the reveal. Face reveal. Wow. We'll just continue on with the unboxing, but I love little stuff like this. The guy offered it to you?
Yeah, he just gave it. It's
So
a
this
travel
is-
pack with their logo on it.
Oh yeah. How much is it worth on eBay?
It's like $100 on eBay.
Okay,
Yeah, it's just a small travel pouch to protect the watch.
I love it.
It's a zipper,
Do you think you'll use it?
and then you have like a
A
little
pillow.
pillow to wrap your watch around.
Yeah. So Cody's now going to share with you like how he sets up the watch and a little bit about like the mechanics of it because I think that would be really interesting. So
This is a self-winding watch, so there's no battery in it, and if you don't wear it for like, I think 40 hours, the watch will stop on its own, similar to most Rolexes and Patek Philippe's. This way, since there's no battery, the watch pretty much won't die in a sense, or won't lose battery ever. For this specific watch, it's water resistant, up to like 300 meters, I think, or 150. If it dies, you just have to wind the watch, like, and then you just twist it like a winding. It's already moving, but this is what you'd have to do to kind of get power into the watch again, to pretend that it's being worn. And then once you kind of get you just push down and lock it in until you see no more space in the screw right here. So once this shows that it's locked and now it's waterproof, you just want to do a couple of turns just in case. When you can't turn anymore, it just shows that it's ready to go.
So how do you know it's moving?
Well, this right here, this bottom dial is the second hand. It's moving, if you could see it.
Oh, I see it. Okay.
And then this is the stopwatch minute, and this is the stopwatch hour.
Oh, why don't you start it?
So like this little second hand is a stopwatch second hand. So if I press this button, you'll see it move right there. And then when I want it to stop, you just press it again. And then it kind of gives you kind of a stopwatch timer.
What are you gonna use it for?
Nothing. And then if you want it to reset, you just press this and it goes back up to the top.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, why don't you put it on and show them in this angle? So yeah, I hope you guys liked that little tutorial I kind of gave you guys. Good job. Good job on that. Is there anything else, like, if you were looking for...
I mean, if you're looking for the watch, don't expect to walk in without knowing anything and buying a piece.
Cody knows a lot.
If you go in there and go into a store just to look around, you won't get positive feedback from these people. They expect you to kind of know exactly what you want when you walk in and to not be clueless on exactly these watches. You have to be clueless in the extent of how exclusive the watches are, but don't be like, do your research on what the watch is, but don't reveal that you know that they're really hard to get. If you kind of pretend that, oh,
this is his tips.
This is my tips, because that's how I got it. Like, I told them this is my first luxury watch, which it is.
He also shares, Cody loves like this storytelling.
Yeah, so if you share about your situation, which I did, on like why I'm looking for a watch now, what I did to be able to do to get it now, like it kind of appeals to the sales associates, you know, heart and mind. Like, oh, okay, this person's not going to resell it. You know, maybe this could be a relationship with this person and I could do more business with him. So a lot of them invite me to the boutique, like the ones from different countries, but obviously I can't go there right now. I was hoping that they would just tell me what they have. Some of them did do, like in Russia, they had the watch that I wanted to, but I'm not going to fly there now.
Okay, she was like, is that the one she's offering to ship?
Yeah, so the one, no, that was Barcelona. Barcelona had another watch I wanted. They were like, they could ship it as long as I bought 2 of them, but they won't sell me 2 models of the same one. They won't. Yeah, so they were like,
bought it.
Yeah, but so then they were like, oh, look for something else, and they didn't have anything else. I chose Audemars Piguet because it not necessarily was most easily accessible, but there weren't as many holes you had to jump through to get to the watch I wanted in the end. I still like this watch. It's a good beginner's watch.
It's a starter watch.
Yeah.
Also, like, because this watch stuff is relationship building, although like we prefer to avoid that, it's kind of inevitable. So definitely feel free to go to different stores, get a feel for how you get along with certain sales associates. We have experienced like different sales associates tactics. Like, some people will throw out like offers to you, some people will not. Some people are more talkative, will ask you about your life, or they're just like more straight to the point. So definitely like feel free to try to find a sales associate that you like.
Yeah, like I think if you have multiple stores that you can visit, see who you can connect with best, because whoever you like best, or if they like you best, they'll work the hardest to kind of get the piece for you. Obviously, they have other clients. There's no doubt about it. You are not going to be the only client. Yeah, it doesn't help. Like, I all say the same thing, which is pretty right. It doesn't help you if you shop around with different people. Obviously, if you're on vacation and you see the watch you like, buy it.
Because tax.
Because tax, too.
Well, you can't even go with it.
We're not suggesting you go through customs to lie, but if you forget about it and leave it in your bag, then...
This is a joke?
Yeah. Just the Audemars Piguet bracelet is very unique. I don't see any other brands really copying it or taking it.
Maybe they own it.
They probably own it, maybe, but like for Rolex,
The Jubilee.
There's a lot of other companies that
like that.
use the same type of bracelet as them. Obviously, that's probably not as the same type of precious metals.
Oh yeah, Cody likes that. Like if someone just saw this, they would know what it is.
The people that understand this watch, when they see this, it's like
It's a flexer.
It's like a subtle flex just by looking at the bottom right here. Like for Rolexes, like their bracelet is pretty wide. Everyone, like a lot of other watch brands, uses their bracelet. When you saw me taking the plastic off before, even though it seems very minimal, it added a lot of thickness to it, and it felt a little tight with the plastic on. And in the store, they won't take the plastic off, obviously, because you didn't buy it yet. But when I was asking them if I can make it bigger, they said that each link was about $250. It's non-refundable. You basically have to buy it and order it first, and that's why I wasn't okay with it. I wasn't. But he suggested that once I do take the plastic off, I'll have more room and it'll fit nicer and cleaner. And it does now. It's still snug, but it still has a little room for it to move, so it's not choking my wrist. Because your body expands when you're hot.
I would say that this whole plastic thing, like the whole plastic wrapping for Audemars Piguet, it seems like it's only for Audemars Piguet. Like at Rolex, there's no plastic or anything.
Yeah.
So just keep that in mind with your shopping experience.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. Congratulations. Okay, go. So yeah, if you guys ever see him stick it in a vlog, you know why. He worked very hard for this. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I edited this video like cohesive enough so everything is in the right section and you guys found this video useful. Please give this video a like if you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below. I will try to get Cody to answer them or something like that. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Go like this. Bye! Wave bye with your watch. Really, you did it.
Thank you for watching.
No, I say it together.
Oh.